Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily update your firmware on the RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to Razer Synapse. Now click on our Viper V4 Pro right here and click on this firmware update available button. Here we got the firmware updates. Now as you guys can see, we got the Razer Viper V4 Pro and there's a required firmware update. We're going to click view online here, and as you guys can see, it should go over, and here we will have this site right here. It's the firmware updater, and what are we going to do is we're going to go over and click on the Razer button. Here we are installing the firmware updater. As you guys can see, we're gonna tap on it once it's done and it should open. As you guys can see, we're gonna click next, and here we will select devices to update. So we're gonna go with the recommended one, the mouse and wireless USB dongle, which is this part right here. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna click next. Here we want to plug in the wireless USB dongle to our PC, and it is already plugged in. So let me quickly click on update, and as you guys can see, now it is updating the mouse and the everything. So as you guys can see, the mouse is not working. I have to use my second mouse. So all we have to do now is wait and do not power off our computer, because it can literally destroy our mouse. So we definitely do not want it. And what are we going to do next? After the update is successful, we're going to click next. And as you guys can see, we're going to connect the mouse to your PC with a supplied USB cable. So now I am unplugging the dongle, and I'm going to go over and press it right here into the mouse. Now, as you guys can see, the mouse is working. We're going to click on update. And now we don't want to power off our computer. So as you guys can see, now it is also updating our mouse. As you guys can see, there's a bit of a difference. My device version is 1.01.01 and there's 1.02.01. So this is a big update. Now we need to wait for it to reach 100%, so it should be in like 3 seconds. And after that, we're just gonna go over and click next. As you guys can see, the updating has been finished and everything has been updated. So we got our dongle updated and we got our mouse updated. So we're gonna click exit. And now what we can do is we can simply reload the app. It will do that for us. We can click on the mouse right here and let it load. And then, as you guys can see, there's no information about the firmware update anymore. So that's how you guys can easily update your firmware. As you guys can see, there's nothing about the firmware. And that's basically it. This is how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.